Hello eaters! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen PH. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen PH. Hello eaters! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen PH. If you are a new subscriber, I will introduce myself to you. By the way, I am hospitality management student. Currently, I am taking my on-job training in hotel. So, I've been doing my on-job training at Whiteley Residence Hotel. Today, I am assigned in penthouse, so I am responsible to clean comfort room, gym area, function room, and hallways. So, this is the gym area. We are just doing dusting, especially in the equipments. We are sweeping and mopping the floors. And of course, we are responsible to refill the water in the gym area, refill the cups and hand towel. So in this video, I am just doing dusting. So the standard way is from top to bottom. So I'm just doing dusting and of course sanitize the seat area and handles. So now I am in stock room. I'm just organize my cleaning materials. So now this is the function room, or also known as meeting area. After my exhausting day, so of course after shift, we eat outside with my friends, so I just got Hungarian sausage, fried eggs and rice, or also known as Hungarian silog. That's it guys. Anyway, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen PH. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!